Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com, and I have a brand new scooter here by Pride. It's their newest scooter of their line. They had the carbon over here that launched first. It's okay scooter, it's more of a fold up, but this is the Go-Go Super Portable. The box is 39 inches by 23 by 14. It's about 50 pounds when it comes in, but this scooter is about 41 pounds with the battery removed. I'm gonna do an unboxing. We're gonna do some comparison videos on this compared to some other scooters we have. So let's just get started. Just go ahead and cut these straps. And if the box is really damaged, obviously just refuse it, but usually everything that Pride sends is well packaged. So here's the box. Just start getting stuff out. You know, it's packaged, like I said, it's packaged well. Couple different colors. It's in carbon fiber also, but that's the Go-Go Carbon. This is the Super Portable, and it's first time unboxing it. I'm probably just gonna just take this thing right out the box. So I'm just picking it up by the little handle back here and by the tiller and just getting it straight out. Now back into here, you're gonna see your manual, you're gonna see a cushion, and you're also going to see a new charger, and this charger is actually pretty cool. It's magnetic. I've been talking about magnetic chargers for a long time. We have it. We're going to see how it works. So let's just get this box out of here. All right, so I got a lot of the cardboard out. I'm just going to take this plastic. It has a kickstand. You can just put it back on its kickstand and just remove the plastic. So this is pretty basic stuff. I'm glad they did the kickstand. We were the inventor of the kickstand for the golden scooter. So it looks like Pride has a kickstand now, which is really important when you're trying to load this into a vehicle. All right, so here's your manual. If you need to read it, read it. A lot of good information in there. Your keys will be in there. You get two keys, a set of keys. I don't know what this is. We'll figure this out later. I'm not really sure. Here's the bag. They're cushions, and you can wash these if you like. So we'll take those out. This would be for the back. This will be for the seat. And there's the charger. So right now, first thing you want to do is charge it up. There's a fuse right there, I'm noticing. This is the battery that can be removed, which just slides out. That's cool. This is like a lock. And you should be able to charge this directly through the battery, which you can. We'll go over that just a little bit. There's also an on-off switch right here that you'll probably have to have on when you're charging the battery. So we'll go over how to charge this battery later. Next thing we're gonna do is do this. There's a lever right here. Just open it, and then you can bring it up and lock it back into place. And what you do here, again, it's my first time doing it. Okay, so this won't come up unless you activate this, and then there you go. Here's your seat. You can tighten the tension by doing that. And they're using some springs, so hopefully this holds up, but it looks like it's pretty easy to replace if needed. You're gonna drop your cushion right on it. It's not a really thick cushion. You'll see the Velcro. So you just take it and drop it right on. I hope you don't have to remove that cushion every time you fold this down, which we'll find out. Again, we're going to do a comparison video with this unit with our famous carry-on scooter, but this is the unboxing. So if you're looking for a fold-up, fold-down scooter, this might be a good scooter for you, but the carry-on is one of our favorite scooters, and we really like it. Now, what's nice about this looks like it can come up and down. Looks like it would be simple, but maybe I'm doing something wrong. But here's the deal. When you do this for the first time, I've been doing this for 20 plus years. This has given me a problem already. I don't know if it's going to give you a problem, but I'm sure this comes up and down. So again, I'll have to play around with this, but I'm just showing you a true unboxing video of this product that Pride just released. It's in black. They also have it in mint green. And again, here's the battery pack, and this is a TSA approved battery that can travel, I believe, about 11 miles at someone 200 pounds and about 8 to 9 pounds at someone about 300 pounds. So they're not heavy, no basket storage at the back. I mean, so far it's kind of complicated for me, but again, I'm doing this kind of quick too, but let me just sit on it. I think it overall is 39 inches. This can come down, you can bring it back to you, but you got to get it right in the right spot. As you see, the dash will have this sticker to charge it 100% before you're using it, so I definitely want to do that. There are some accessories. Mirrors can go right here, and I'll show you that in just a second, and we do have a cell phone holder for it. So, but let's fold this thing up. This is how you would fold it down. You would pull that, bring it down, and then to fold this, you would pull this and come down like so, and lock this in place, like so. I mean, it's kind of hard. I don't know if it's because of this cushion. There you go. Just push it down, try to get these grooves in the right direction, and now you can stand it straight up. I mean, so far, I mean, it's all right. I mean, so far, I don't like it better than the carry-on, but we're going to see how it performs. You got to make sure you get these teeth in the right grooves before you do this. This is going to be a problem for a lot of people. Some people might, it seems easier once you get it right, but if you have it off a little bit, it's kind of hard. This won't come back. Again, you have to release this. Looks like a little spot right here to put something. This bag will probably go somewhere on the front like so. I'm not really sure. Yeah, it's going to go on the front. So these clips are going to do something, I think, for the bag. I think it has a nice light package. Let's just see what the lights look like. So put this battery in, you're just going to slide it right in. That beeping noise is a free will. So there's a lever right here. This allows you to roll it or lock it. So it's lithium TSA approved battery. And this is magnetic. So it just clips right on, which is really neat. And you can also do that with the battery. Connect it like so. And then you're obviously going to unravel all this. You're going to connect it here and then into the wall. So let's go get this on a charge. So I'm going to charge this battery up by connecting this and plugging this into an outlet. So that light's charging. See that red light means the charger's on. That light means it's charging. Now, I know with some of these rocker switches on the battery, if you turn it off, it looks like it's not charging it. See how that light turned off? So you always want to have that in the eye position. If you charge this and it was off, it's not going to allow the battery to charge. It'll think that there's nothing in there. So you got to have it in the eye. So I'm going to let that charge overnight so we can do a full review on this scooter tomorrow. But this is the unboxing of the Super Portable. I don't know really where this hangs yet, and I would think this would come up, but I'm not sure why it's not coming up, but it has to come up because this is really low. I think it's priced at like $23.98. There is a USB charging port here. You have a slow speed, a fast speed. You control it here. You don't have a speed knob. I can tell you right now, if you're looking for a fold-up or fold-down scooter and people are pushing you on this scooter, it's not going to be better than the carry-on. Performance-wise, anything, it's just really not. I don't like how you don't have control of the speed. You have a slow speed, you have a fast speed. This does go forward and back, and you don't have to press it all the way forward. You can kind of press it. For me, I'm about 5'7". I feel okay on it, but if you're taller, there's going to be a little bit of an issue. It looks pretty though. I like the carbon fiber look. They also have it mint green. The lights are on the front. I don't have the battery. I'm charging it before I use it. I don't know what these things do, but I guess I got to read the manual. Here's your little storage compartment. I mean, I'm not trying to talk bad about Pride. Yeah. You keep this, in the video. I'm not. I'm just, I'm trying to find something that's going to help people and be nice. I mean, it's nice. This is Oh, the weight of the unit with the battery out is 41 pounds. The weight of the scooter with the battery is like 49 pounds. 10 miles at 200-pound person, 8.8 miles at 300 pounds. 8-inch tires at the back, 7-inch at the front, 1.85 at the motor, 3.7 at the mid-deck. It's 37 overall length, 21.5 inches in width, 56-inch turning radius. It says it holds 300 pounds. But hey, I will point this out. 3-year warranty on the frame, 2 years on the electronics and the drive motors, and a 2-year warranty on the batteries. So that's good on the batteries. This is just, I'm not sure what this is, but I'm thinking this holds the basket at the front. I need to figure out what goes on with this. Besides that, if you're looking for a fold-down scooter, give this a shot. Definitely go to your local provider, Pride local provider, before buying this. We'll still shoot some more videos on this. I'll probably learn it better. Again, I just got it. It's kind of late today, but I wanted to go ahead and unbox it. I'll figure out what this stuff does. Here is the mirrors that I do like. We do have a mirror coming out on the carry-on. If you have the carry-on, we do have a mirror coming out. The mirrors will just go, which is probably going to get in the way of the fold-down design, so we'll find that out later. That will go right here once you remove this, and the phone holder can go somewhere, which is still going to get in the way of you folding it down, so I don't know if this is what you're going to want. Besides that, my name is Chris. I'm with Mobility Solutions. Give me a call to 803-926-2224. I know this video, people are expecting me to like talk this thing up, be so happy about it. My goal is to do true and honest review videos. There's a lot of companies out there that will just shoot whatever. They'll make this seem like it's the best thing in the world. That's not what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to find mobility products that's going to work best for you. Now, everyone's different. There's different things that people need. I always suggest to go visit a local provider. Pride now has the fold down in the carbon fiber. That is lightweight. There's probably going to be some benefits to it. They also have the fold in the middle. This folds up through the middle. We have some videos on that. That is the Go-Go carbon. And but guys, seriously, let me tell you something real quick while I got you on here. The Carry-On GP130 by Golden Technologies right now is the best fold-down mobility scooter on the market. Is it more compact than the fold-up scooters by Solex and the Go-Go Carbon? No, but the tires are better. It's priced the best. It's durable. It's made well. They got the kickstand on it. We were the inventors of the kickstand. It's got a nice basket. Seat's comfortable. There's a couple things you have to do to fold it up, but really easy, and you can use levers to get it in and out your car. I'm telling you, if you're looking for a fold-up travel scooter, check out the Carry-On from Carry-On USA. It's awesome. We have something really exciting coming out pretty soon about this unit that we've been working on. So we're going to tell you a little bit more about this scooter. I just did a live video of how to unbox it. I'm not going to beat around the bush and try to sell this to you. Maybe this is the best scooter in the world. I don't know. We're about to find out. We'll see how it performs outside compared to the Carry-On, compared to their other scooter that they have. Price-wise, I think this is like $23.95. Or if you don't have a local dealer, if you really want this unit, I will give you the best price you will find online, hands down. All you have to do is call me. You can buy it straight from our website, or you can call me. I'll go over this unit before you buy it. I'll know more about it when you give me a call. I'll tell you what I think. So 803-926-2224. Do not call anyone else, or you can call anybody you want. Definitely give me a shot to talk to you about mobility products before you spend your money, because there's things I'm going to ask you that you might not think of when deciding on buying a mobility scooter. My name is Chris again. My website's affordablemedicalusa.com. If you want more information about the Carry-On, go to carryonusa.com. Thank you so much. I don't know what else to say about it. You can keep all this in video. And they did add a kickstand, which is nice. It does fold up pretty nice.
You sound like you opened your last Christmas present and there's nothing else under the tree.
In a way, I feel like I'm opening a Christmas present I really wanted. I wasn't really that happy. And that's being ungrateful. But I just don't like it. I mean, I don't mind saying it. I mean, maybe it's for somebody. I don't know.